What happened? What happened? You're soaked. What's going on? You're soaked. You guys are drenched. Guys, it's not cold out here. It is hot actually and humid. Yeah, it was thundering.
I like the rain.
Did you call for the thunder?
No.
You said, "Come, thunder."
I'm wet. Rain soaks me. Rain's good for your hair.
I seen y'all splashing in the puddles.
What?
You guys need to drop your clothes right here.
What? No.
In here.
Oh.
You guys are soggy.
Soggy and sloshy.
Slushy, slushy.
You guys are like slushies.
No, daddy. What you?
Woo!
I
I gotta get this action.
Bam!
You know my 45-second video.
Yeah, that you like to put in like a backwards. Here it comes. Go get that action, Megan. Yeah. Me talking is really.
Gotta be soothing. Look at her out there. This rain is coming before the snow in October.
Can I go in the big puddle?
No. Too many cards.
Aww. I'll make sure it looks
Make
like
sure
cards.
that there's a bucket catching all this rainwater falling. What's that?
Trucks love to drive past and slosh the water up.
I want to go with that one. I'll make sure I look for cars. Can I go in that big puddle next? There? Or is there too many cars?
Yeah, go.
Okay. You have to wash them really good. 'Cause
Watch for cars.
oh, there's an old one. Look what's fishing. That's what I'm talking about. What's this? That was not good one.
Out of the road all the way.
Go, go, go. Want me to lay down in it?
Sure.